Good morning, dear students. May God bless you all. I hope you all are fine. Today, in computer class, we are going to start a new chapter. Chapter number 4, Know the Keyboard. Children, in your previous chapter, you have learned about parts of computer system. So let us recall about these parts. There are mainly 4 parts of the computer: monitor, CPU, keyboard and mouse. Now in this chapter, we are going to learn about one of the important part of a computer, that is the keyboard. A pencil or a pen is needed to write in a notebook, but we cannot use a pencil or a pen for writing on a computer. You have to use the keyboard to write or enter the information and instructions into a computer. The keyboard has many small buttons on it. These buttons are called keys. There are usually 104 keys on the keyboard. There are different types of keys to perform different tasks. The different types of keys are alphabet keys, number keys, function keys, and last one is special keys. So let us learn about these keys one by one. First one is alphabet keys. These keys are used for typing letters and words. The letters A to Z are written on these keys. There are 26 alphabet keys on the keyboard. These keys are not arranged in an alphabetical order. Second one is number keys. These are keys with numbers written from 0 to 9. These keys are used to type numbers. One set of number keys are placed above the alphabet keys and another set is on the right side of the keyboard. Special keys. There are some special keys on the keyboard which are commonly used. Let us see. Enter key. This key is used to move the cursor to the next line. It is also called the return key. There are 2 enter keys on the keyboard. Spacebar key. This key is the longest key on the keyboard. It is used to give space between 2 words, letters or numbers. Backspace key. This key is present just above the enter key. It erases the characters one by one to the left. It works like an eraser on the screen. We use it to erase the wrong letters. Caps Lock key. This key is used to type in capital letters. When caps lock is on, letters appear in uppercase or in capital. When it is off, letters appear in lowercase or in small. Function keys. These keys are used for different functions in different programs. These keys are found at the top of the keyboard. These keys are from F1 to F12. Students, now let us recall what we have learned in this chapter. A keyboard is the basic part of a computer. There are different types of keys present on the keyboard. Alphabet keys are used to type different letters and words. Number keys are used to type numbers. Spacebar key, enter key, backspace key, caps lock key and function keys. These are some special keys on the keyboard. To insert blank spaces, spacebar key is used. To move to the next line, we use enter key. We use caps lock key to write in capital letters. To erase whatever wrong is typed, we use backspace key. Students, I hope this part of the chapter is clear to all. In next class, we will do the book exercises of this chapter. Thank you and have a nice day.